George again over at Imports for Less, here this morning filming a short video about a vehicle that just came into us today. It's a car that'll be available on the website within the next couple of days here. What we've got is a 2020 Volvo. This is an S60. It's a Momentum T6 all-wheel drive model. Black car, black interior. Again, it's a 2020 car, so not much to talk about condition-wise. Take a quick walk around here. It's got only 12,000 miles on it. Again, the interior is black in this one. We'll take a look at that here in a second. But really nice, clean overall condition. Again, it's a T6. It is the all-wheel drive. This one does have navigation, all the safety stuff that you'd expect out of a Volvo. It's got that. You can find a full breakdown of the window sticker on our website at eimports4Less. Tell you all about every option and feature on it. You can see it's got the moonroof. It does have a backup camera. This one does have the climate package too, cold climate, so front and rear heated seats and a heated steering wheel. Really nice, clean overall condition. Take a look here at the interior in a second. So again, a 2020, nothing really to talk about condition-wise. Interior is the same way. See the wood interior trim in here. Navigation is active. So seats are in nice shape. Nothing to, again, only 12,000 miles on it. So even on the bolsters and stuff, no real wear to talk about on either side. We'll take a look here at the back seat, and then we'll look at the moonroof. Again, that's the panoramic. You can see the rear heated seat buttons there. Moonroof is the double pane of glass in there, which is nice. Again, 2020, 12,000 miles. You can see all the details at eimports.com. If you're interested in owning this one, you want to buy it before somebody beats you to it, give us a call here at the dealership at 215-249-9100. Thanks for checking it out.